Hi, welcome to Finance Masterclass. Today I'll be sharing with you the difference between equity and derivative. So what is equity? In equity market, you own a share for a short term or for a long term. But in derivative market, you just bet on a stock or on a particular index, whether it will go up or whether it will go down. In stock market, you have to pay the full amount of the stock, unless and until it's an intraday. But in delivery market, which 90-95% of Indians do, in that you have to pay the full amount. But in derivative, you don't have to pay full amount. You always pay some kind of margins like initial margin, maintenance margin and span margin. And in options, you pay a premium. And there is no concept of you paying a full amount. In stock market, in equities, it is less risky. In derivatives, if not learned well, it has more risk. In equity market, there are not several products as such, but there are only features such as intraday market. But in derivative, there are 4 different products, which is futures, forwards, options and swap. In this, forwards is mostly traded over the counter and the rest are traded on exchange. So these are the few differences between equities and derivatives.